Hello everyone. So today we will solve an example of LL1 parser. We will make the LL1 parse table after removing the recursion. Then we will find the first and follow. Then we will make the table with the first. And if there is epsilon in it, then we will go for the follow part. Okay. So LL1, what is the meaning? So first L means scanning will be done from left to right. Second L means we'll use leftmost derivation tree, and 1 means number of look aheads, only one symbol to see when we will make a decision. Okay, and this comes under the top down parsing. Okay, so let us go to the steps. So first of all, we will check and eliminate if there are any left recursions. Okay, in the grammar, check and eliminate if present left recursion, and then we will calculate the first and follow. Then if a gives alpha, then find first of alpha and make entry of a gives alpha in each terminal of first of alpha in the table. Okay, so and if it contains the epsilon, then we will write this entry in the follow part of that a grammar that gave the epsilon. Okay, let us solve the example now. So check whether the following grammar is LL1 or not, or question like construct predictive parsing table and check whether grammar is LL1 or not. So we have the grammar here. Let us remove the left recursion if there are any. So let us first of all write the left recursions, but there are no left recursion as there is no non-terminal which is giving any production which is having itself. Okay, and if there was a gives a b, then it would have been a left recursion. Okay, let's go for the second step, that is to find the first and follow. So first of s is first of b union first of a. So let us find the first of a and b first. Okay, so first of a is a and epsilon, so let us write it down. Okay, now for b it is small b. Okay, so first of s is first of b union first of a, which is a, b and epsilon. Okay, so let us write it down, and we will go for the c part. So first of c is epsilon itself. Okay, so let us write that down. So first of c equals to epsilon. Okay, so now let us find the first of all the terminals. So first of a is a itself, and first of small b is small b itself. So let us write it down. So a over here, and first of b is small b. Okay, so we have found the first of non-terminals and the terminals. Now let us go for the follow part. Follow of s is by default dollar and any other terminals, but there are none, so let us go ahead. The follow is of only non-terminals, and you can watch that video in the playlist also. So if you don't know how to find the first and follow, you can go watch that video. So let us go for the follow of a. So there is b and small a after a, so I will write first of capital B union first of small a, that is terminal only, and it's as it is small a. So first of b is small b and first of small a is small a, so a comma b. Okay, so now let us find the follow of b. So b is followed by c over here, and in the next production of s there is nothing after b, so we will go to the follow of s. Okay, and if you don't know why I did this, then you should go watch my video on first and follow for sure. Okay, so first of c is epsilon, as we have found it earlier only, and then follow of s is dollar. So I will write only dollar because we don't write epsilon in the follow part. Now let us find the follow of c. So c is followed by nothing, so we will go for the follow of s, and I will write follow of c equals to dollar. Okay, so now we have found the first of non-terminals and terminals, and we have also found the follow of non-terminals. Now let us go ahead and make the LL1 parse table. I have just written the non-terminals S, A, B and C, and over here in the right side I have written the terminals small a, small b and dollar. Okay, so now let us go ahead, and as I have shown you earlier, if the production does not contain the epsilon, then we will write the particular production in the first of that non-terminal, and if the production contains epsilon, then we will go to the follow part. Okay, so let us go ahead. S does not contain epsilon, so we will go for the first of S. So I will write S production in the A and B. Okay, so A was because of this production, S gives AB, and B was because of this production, S gives capital B, capital C. You don't have to write both of the S production in each terminal. Okay, so now let us go ahead. So A contains the epsilon. Okay, but the first production does not have to be left behind. So we will write this first production in the first of A, and we will write the epsilon production in the follow of A. Okay, so let us go ahead and first of all write the A gives small a, capital A and small a inside the first of A. That is this one. That is small a. So let us write it down. So capital A gives small a, capital A, small a. Now we have to write the epsilon's production. So where will I write that? In the follow of A. And follow of A is small a and small b. Okay. So now we will write the B production. B does not contain epsilon, so we will write it in the first of B, that is small b. So I will write the B production in the B terminal part. Okay, now C contains epsilon, so I will write it inside the follow of C, which is dollar. So I will write C production under the dollar. Now we have completed the table, and it contains two production in one cell. Okay, so now it is not an LL1 parser. So let us write the reason and we will conclude this example. So above grammar is not LL1 grammar because there are two production inside one cell. So let us write there are multiple productions or entries in one cell. So let us describe that cell. So M of capital A and small a. Okay, so we have to write the info of that cell like this, of the predictive parsing table. Okay, so let us write this and we will conclude this. Okay, so predictive parsing table. So it is not LL1 grammar. So thank you guys for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Also comment down below if you are having any doubts. And if you want to access complete video series on particular programming language, then go to my playlist section and you will be able to access them and you can practice them with me. So see you all in the next video. Till then, study more, worry less, and bye bye.